Learn English to Gujarati degree words. Very, quite, total, really and.
ખાસ કરીને.
Welcome to today's tiny but mighty words. Hey, you are about to learn 8 super useful English to Gujarati words that make sentences stronger, softer, or wonderfully dramatic. And yes, a few of them are so expressive they deserve their own fan club. Imagine you walk into a Gujarati tea shop and everyone is discussing life with maximum emotion. One person says the tea is
ખૂબ.
hot, another says it is
ખૂબ જ.
good, the cashier announces the
cool.
your friend says the snacks are
ખરેખર.
tasty, and one auntie points at the mango pickle.
ખાસ કરીને.
Then someone asks for
થોડું.
sugar, another says the problem is
એવું નહીં.
serious, and finally the cook admits he added
ખૂબ જ વધારે.
chili. Congratulations, you have just entered the kingdom of degree words. Your core words. Let's meet the main characters one by one. Say them aloud with me and give each one a dramatic eyebrow raise. Very is
ખૂબ.
example, it is
ખૂબ.
hot today. Quite is
ખૂબ જ.
example, this book is
ખૂબ જ.
interesting. Total is
cool.
example, the
cool.
is 100. Really is
ખરેખર.
example, I am
ખરેખર.
happy today. Especially is
ખાસ કરીને.
example, I
ખાસ કરીને.
like this book. A little is
થોડું.
example, I speak
થોડું.
Gujarati. Not so is
એવું નહીં.
example, it is
એવું નહીં.
difficult. Much too is
ખૂબ જ વધારે.
example, the tea is
ખૂબ જ વધારે.
hot. A chaotic tea stall story. Now let's put the words into a funny little scene. Just listen first, then repeat your favorite lines. You enter a tea stall in Ahmedabad and order one calm, peaceful cup of tea. That was your first mistake. The man at the counter is
ખૂબ.
cheerful. The music is
ખૂબ જ વધારે.
loud. A customer says, this snack is
ખૂબ જ.
good. Another replies, no, it is
ખરેખર.
amazing. Then the cashier prints the bill and proudly points to the
cool.
you only wanted
થોડું.
sugar, but the cook heard sugar mountain, apparently. You take one sip and whisper, this is
ખૂબ જ વધારે.
sweet. The waiter smiles and says, oh,
એવું નહીં.
sir, only enough to wake up your ancestors. Meanwhile, everyone agrees they like the samosas, but
ખાસ કરીને.
the mango chutney. By the end, you are confused, full, and somehow speaking
થોડું.
more Gujarati. Mini dialogues you can steal. Here are quick dialogues you can actually use. Borrow them shamelessly, the words will not mind. A. Is it hot? B. Yes, it is
ખૂબ.
hot. A. Is the book good? B. Yes, it is
ખૂબ જ.
interesting. A. What is the final amount? B. The
cool.
is 500. A. Do you really mean that? B. Yes.
ખરેખર.
A. Which dish do you like? B. I like all of them, but
ખાસ કરીને.
this one. A. Do you speak Gujarati? B.
થોડું.
A. Is the test terrible? B. No.
એવું નહીં.
A. Is the soup okay? B. No, it is
ખૂબ જ વધારે.
salty. How the meanings feel. Instead of memorizing only translations, feel the difference. These words are like volume buttons for your sentence.
ખૂબ.
Means very. It turns the brightness up. You are not happy, you are
ખૂબ.
happy.
ખૂબ જ.
Means quite. It feels strong, but often a little more measured. Like saying, this is
खूब ज,
good with a wise nod.
cool,
Is total. It gathers everything together like a strict math teacher who trusts no one.
खरेखर,
Means really. It adds truth, sincerity, or emphasis. It is the word equivalent of leaning forward dramatically.
ખાસ કરીને,
Means especially. It shines a spotlight on one thing.
થોડું,
Means a little, tiny amount, tiny step, tiny spoon, tiny but useful.
એવું નહીં,
Means not so. It calms the drama. A linguistic cup of herbal tea.
ખૂબ જ વધારે,
Means much too. It is what you say when the drama has already moved into your living room and is eating your snacks. Repeat after me. Time for a speaking drill. I will give you English, then Gujarati. Repeat both if you want extra practice. Very.
ખૂબ,
Quite.
ખૂબ જ,
Total.
cool,
Really.
ખરેખર,
Especially.
ખાસ કરીને,
A little.
થોડું,
Not so.
એવું નહીં,
Much too.
ખૂબ જ વધારે,
Quick quiz, no panic. You are ready. If you miss one, that is fine. We are learning, not diffusing a bomb. What is Gujarati for very?
ખૂબ,
What is Gujarati for quite?
ખૂબ જ,
What is Gujarati for total?
cool,
What is Gujarati for really?
ખરેખર,
What is Gujarati for especially?
ખાસ કરીને,
What is Gujarati for a little?
થોડું,
What is Gujarati for not so?
એવું નહીં,
What is Gujarati for much too?
ખૂબ જ વધારે,
Your final challenge. Now try building meaning in steps. Listen to how one small word can completely change the mood. Hot. Very hot.
ખૂબ,
Hot. Quite hot.
ખૂબ જ,
Hot. Not so hot.
એવું નહીં,
Hot. Much too hot.
ખૂબ જ વધારે,
Hot. Happy. Really happy.
ખરેખર,
Happy. Very happy.
ખૂબ,
Happy. I like this dish. I
ખાસ કરીને,
like this dish. Sugar. Add.
થોડું,
Sugar. Do not add
ખૂબ જ વધારે,
sugar unless you want tea that could qualify as dessert. Now one practical word, the
cool,
always useful when money is involved, and sadly, money is often involved. Thanks and keep going. Nice work today. You just learned words that make your Gujarati sound more natural, more expressive, and honestly more fun. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
ખૂબ, ખૂબ જ, cool, ખરેખર, ખાસ કરીને, થોડું, એવું નહીં,
And,
ખૂબ જ વધારે,
in your own sentences. Repeat them tomorrow, use them in real life, and remember, even.
થોડું,
Practice every day helps.
ખૂબ.
Thanks for listening, and keep practicing.